Okay, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is money supply. Here we will discuss the meaning of money supply, features of money supply, components of money supply, and measurement of money supply. Question arises, what is the meaning of money supply? Let us see. Money supply refers to the total stock of money which are in circulation at a particular point of time in an economy. It means, let us see, the total volume of money which are with the public and which are in circulation at a particular point of time, that is known as money. Suppose the money in your pocket, or the money deposited by you or your parents, or even by me into the bank, that constitutes the money supply. Question arises that what are the features of money supply? There are two features of money supply. One is that money supply is a stock variable. A stock variable means the variable which can be measured at a particular point of time. So money measured, suppose in our country, the Reserve Bank of India is there. You are knowing the producer of money. Producer of money is the Reserve Bank of India. And Reserve Bank of India is measuring the money supply, that how much money are in circulation, how much money are there with public. So what they are doing, let us see what is the meaning of money supply. Here I have written, money supply refers to the total stock of money in circulation. Total stock. Total stock means total volume of money supply in circulation in an economy at a given point of time. It means at a particular point of time. Suppose on 31st of March 2020, how much was the money supply? It means the feature of money supply, it is a stock variable. A stock variable means the variable which can be measured at a particular point of time. It means money supply can be measured at a particular point of time. It includes money held by public. It means the money supply includes the money held by public, either in the form of coins or in cash, or whether it is deposited into the commercial banks. Next one, components of money supply. There are two components. Mainly there are two components of money supply. First one is the currency held by public. Currency held by public, you are knowing, the public, they used to hold the currency, and they used to hold the currency either in the form of coins. Coins, where you are knowing that the coins of different denominations are held by the public. It may be 10 rupees coin, or 5 rupees coin, or 2 rupees coin, or 1 rupees coin. So all sort of coins comes under the money supply. These coins you are knowing. Do you know who used to print the coins in our country? So one ministry is there, that is Ministry of Finance. Government of India used to print 1 rupee notes and all the coins. So all coins and 1 rupee notes are printed by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance. Let us see these coins. We call coins are limited legal tender money. Limited legal tender money. These coins are limited legal tender money. This second components of the currency held by the public is the paper notes. Paper notes, you are knowing, 2000 note is there, 500 note is there, 100 note is there, 200 note is also there, 50 rupees notes, then 20 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes. So all sort of notes issued by the Reserve Bank of India in our country. These are, let us see, these are known as legal tender money. So paper currencies are, these are the unlimited legal tender money. It means that creditors or anyone who cannot refuse to accept the money up to any amount. There is no limit of the acceptance of money. Any amount of money one can accept. So these paper notes. So paper notes we have seen. These paper notes and coins, these are also known as fiat money. It means these are money because of the order of the government. If government gave the order, yes, this is the money. Sometime you might have seen that 1,000 rupees, government said that it is no legal tender money. It means it is not no money. It means it is according to the order of the government. It is according to the order of the government, a paper becomes the money. So these are the legal tender money. The second component is net demand deposits held by the commercial banks. Commercial bank, you are knowing, used to accept the various types of the deposits, such as, let us say, the current account can be opened into the bank, then saving deposit account can be opened into the bank, or different other accounts can be opened into the bank. So demand deposits, here the demand deposits, only we have to concentrate over the demand deposit. Demand deposits are the deposit which can be withdrawn at any time with the help of check or with the withdrawal slips. So let us see this demand deposit. Net, here we have written net. Why we have written net? Because there is inter-bank deposit also. One commercial bank used to deposit the excess of money into another commercial banks in order to earn the interest. That deposit, inter-commercial bank deposits are not included into the money supply. So here net demand deposits held by the commercial bank, it means the deposits of the public only is included into the money supply. So let us see what we have learned. We have learned the meaning of money supply, the features of money supply, and then components of money supply. Two components are there: currency held by the public, another one is the net demand deposits held by the commercial banks. Let us see the measurement of money supply. You are knowing, let us see, in our country, the Reserve Bank of India is there. I told you, Reserve Bank of India and the government of India, they are called the producer of money. And the producer of money, Reserve Bank of India, used to publish the data about the total circulation of money, the stock of money, that how much money are in circulation. So that when the Reserve Bank of India is publishing the data on the money supply, they are publishing the different, we can say, different measures of the money supply. They are measuring money supply in the form of M1, in the form of M2, M3, and M4. So M1, M2, M3, and M4, these are the measures of money supply, and these measures are given by the Reserve Bank of India. Let us see what is M1. M1 means this C plus DD plus OD. Question arises, what is C? C means currency held by the public. Currency held by public, the currency held by public. So all sort of currency, let us see, the coins or cash held by the public. You are knowing the public means here the private individuals as well as the firms. Firms, you are knowing the producers. So public and the firms, they used to hold the cash either for their consumption expenditure or to meet some other expenditure. So this currency held by public, this C. Then DD. DD means net demand deposits of bank. Net demand deposits. Here also let us see demand deposit. Net means we have to exclude the interbank deposits. Means one bank deposited the money in another banks. Their deposits are excluded, but the deposits made by the public either into the current account or into the savings account, that is included into the DD, demand deposit. Let us see here, I have written OD, other deposit of Reserve Bank. Other deposits of Reserve Bank, it includes demand deposits of public financial institution. Public financial institutions such as Industrial Development Bank of India, then foreign central banks and the governments. Foreign central bank, foreign central banks, they also used to deposit their money into the central bank of, suppose our country, the central bank of our country is the Reserve Bank of India. So foreign government, foreign central banks, they used to deposit the money. Apart from this, let us say this International Monetary Fund, then World Bank, these are the institutions, they also used to deposit the money. Here let us see the money deposited by the government and the money deposited by the commercial banks do not include into the OD, do not comes under the category of M1. So here let us see M1, we can say is the measures which includes or which are having the three components. One is the C, means currency held by the public. Second one is the demand deposits. Third one is the other deposits. Next comes the M2. M2 is equal to M1 plus saving deposit with the post office saving bank. Post office saving bank. You are knowing the post office is also accepting the deposit from the public into the post office saving banks. So if we'll add the money deposited into the post office saving banks with the M1, then we'll get M2. So M1 and M2, let us see here, it is called, this M1 and M2 is called narrow money. Which money? It is called narrow money. Narrow money. This is called narrow money. And this M1 and M2 is mostly available into the liquid forms, available for transaction. It can be used for transaction. It can be used for transaction at any time. And that is why we call most liquid form of money is M1 and M2. Next one comes, let us see, M3. What is M3? M3 is equal to M1. M1 you are knowing C plus DD plus OD plus net time deposits of bank. Time deposit. Do you know what is the meaning of time deposit? Time deposits are the fixed deposits. The money deposited for certain period of times. So fixed deposit, even recurring deposits money, they come. So net, here also net is given. Wherever net is given means interbank time deposits are excluded. Only we have to include the money deposited by the public either in the fixed deposit or into the recurring deposit. So M3 is equal to M1 plus net time deposits of public. And last components and the last measures of the money supply is M4. Let us see what is M4. M4 is equal to M3 plus total deposits with post office. In post office, a large number of schemes are there where the public can deposit their money. So many schemes are there. Suppose monthly income schemes are there. Some other schemes are there. Suppose Kisan Vikas Patra is there, where the public can go and purchase the certificate, deposit the money. So all sort of deposit except one deposit, that is National Savings Certificate. National Savings Certificate is not included into the M4. So M4 is equal to M3 plus total deposits with post office. So this M3 and M4 is called broad money. Here it is called narrow money. Here it is called broad money. So narrow money and broad money, M3 and M4 constitute broad money, M1 and M2 constitute narrow money. So let us see what we have learned today. We have learned the meaning of money supply. We have learned the features of money supply. We have learned the components of money supply, and we have learned the measurement of money supply. I think this concept is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.